Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into Kindroid AI, the AI girlfriend app that in 2025 promises realistic companion chats, image and voice interaction, and even customizable avatars. If you're new to this type of app and wondering how it actually works and whether it's worth it, you're in the right place. First off, how it works. You download the app, choose a base avatar, your kin, then you chat with them via text, voice, or video messages. There's a free tier, but to unlock voice chat, premium avatar customization, and faster image generation, you'll need a paid plan. Critics note the conversation engine is smoother than many rivals, with decent human-like chat responses and good privacy claims. On the plus side, you can genuinely build a persona, get creative roleplay, and for casual companionship, it can feel immersive. The UI is user-friendly, and the novelty factor is strong if you're curious about AI companions. That said, there are some major caveats. Several user reviews say the image generator is incredibly slow, sometimes 3 to 7 minutes per image, and the voice responses can still feel robotic rather than natural. Customization is limited once you pick your kin's base features, and many users report that deep chat memory is weaker than advertised. The AI forgets previous details or repeats responses. The pricing can also be steep compared to the value delivered if you are expecting a fully human-level experience. Privacy is another concern. Recent research highlights that many AI girlfriend apps collect extensive user data, have trackers, and unclear ownership or regulation. So, for beginners, yes, Kindroid AI can be a fun, novel companion experience. Treat it like a high-tech, interactive toy. But if you're looking for realistic human-level interaction, perfect customization, or full privacy assurance, manage your expectations. Verdict: Kindroid AI offers a compelling entry into AI companionship with a slick interface and real chat capabilities. But it falls short of the perfect AI girlfriend promise. In speed, memory, and value, use it for fun and exploration, not as a substitute for real relationships or serious therapy.